Hi viewers, welcome to the Bakasura kitchen. Today we have a very traditional Andhra style dal, Palak Dal or Palakoora Pappu. Let's begin. I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, a pinch of hing. Wait for it to splutter. About 1 cup of chopped onions. Cook until translucent. Let's add in the spice powders now. Red chili powder, turmeric and salt to taste. About half a cup of tomatoes. Cook until mushy. This is about 2 cups of boiled TOOR dal. Give it a good stir and let it boil for about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. Adding about quarter kg or 250 grams of spinach leaves chopped. Here we have about quarter cup of fenugreek leaves. This is boiled, but you can also take the fresh ones. Finally adding in the butter. Allow the dal to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. If you find it too thick, you can add in some water. Finally switch off the flame and add in some lemon juice. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.